Today, you will be assembling the Joy Cot. Looking forward to it? Everything fits into this bag. To unfold the cot, grab the frame and quickly pull upwards. Start from the longer sides, then the shorter ones. Once all the sides are stiffened, press the wheel into the base. This is the central locking, which makes sure that the cot won't fold on its own. Just a few more elements. Attach the bottom. It is fastened with Velcro on two sides. Slide the straps into the holes in the bottom and connect them with the Velcro placed under the cot. Add the handles, which will be used for the standing tray. And fit the mosquito net. And this is how we open the entrance to the cot. Please come in. The cot has wheels, which make it easy to move. If you want to lock them, press the red button. To take the cot along with you on a trip, you need to fold it. First, press the bottom lock button and use the red handle to lift the bottom upwards. Press the clamps on the frame and fold downwards. Start from the longer sides. Do the same with the shorter ones. Now the cot can be put in the travel bag and it will accompany you wherever you want to go. That's all about the Joy Cot. Have a good trip!